Hello and welcome to the F1 Technologies on-demand demo for our Wi-Fi marketing service. In this video, we're going to run you through what the service can do and how you can use some of the functions in your business day to day. Wi-Fi marketing is a great way for you to build your CRM and identify who your customers are, but we're also going to be giving you the tools to utilize that data automatically, enabling you to boost loyalty, gather online reviews, and really boost your marketing efforts for your business. Now, when you sign up to Wi-Fi marketing from F1, we are going to have done a lot of the work for you, and we will have already created for you a really nice looking Wi-Fi login system with various login options, be it from social media, simple email form like this. We'll even be adding WhatsApp marketing in the very near future. But a lot of the work has been done for you by our team, and we will have matched the branding that you have, and we will have put that on the Wi-Fi login system and everything that then follows in the user journey. And we want to be really clear at this point that everything that we do is in compliance with GDPR. So when you get access to the dashboard, a lot of the work has been done for you. And after some time, you're going to start seeing statistics appear of how many devices are logging into your Wi-Fi, how many are connecting, and various other metrics to help you understand footfall in your business, but also how much your Wi-Fi service is being utilized. So on this graph here, we can see information about devices connecting and how many of those are unique and how many of those are logging in. We'll also provide that information for you on a per user basis because you may have a business where it's common for people to use more than one device. So we'll give you analysis of individual users, and we can provide you a breakdown of which login methods are being used, how many of these customers are returning customers, and you can select your time frame from all of the graphs, but we will also provide you a all-time record as well for your users. We'll also be showing you information such as how many remarketing pixels have been embedded, something we'll come on to quite shortly, and also give you a breakdown of your online review gathering performance. Again, we'll come onto the review system later in the video. So you've been running F1 Wi-Fi for a bit of time. You're going to start seeing a user database building up. When people log in, they're giving you their marketing information. They are explicitly opting in to receive marketing information from you, and you can access that information and see it anytime in our dashboard, and you can download that user data in an Excel file at any time. Just click the download user data button and we'll start generating your file, and when it's ready, you can download it from the top of the screen. You can also connect this data directly to some other CRMs that you're using. So if you were to go to the integrations tab on the left side, you'll see that we have numerous CRM integrations. And if you see a CRM that you are using here, you can connect it quite easily just by clicking on it, going to the add section, and filling in the information that we require here. And once you have done this, F1 is seamlessly going to pass any data that we capture direct to that CRM. So you're not going to have to manually update that information on a day-to-day or week-to-week basis. So now we've captured data for you about your customers and we've received explicit marketing consent from them. What can you do with that data in the F1 technology dashboard? Well, one of the things we will set up for you by default is online review gathering. And the way this works is after somebody has logged into the Wi-Fi and a time delay has been applied, which you can choose, we will send them an email, which will look something like this, and asking them the simple question of how was your visit, or did you enjoy your visit? This email will be delivered with your own business name as the sender, and it's going to look extremely trustworthy to your customers. You can even set this up so that the emails get delivered from your own email domain as well to further enhance the deliverability of these emails. Now, if somebody receives this email and if they've had a great time and they say 5 stars, what we are going to do is we're going to direct them directly to your Google review page with the review window open. And we've configured F1 Technologies for this, but this is the next thing your customer is going to see. If we just go back to the start of this process again, we have made it just 2 clicks for a customer to receive an online review request from you and to then be in front of your Google review page with the window open. I received the email, it's 1 click to open it. I say 5 stars, that's my second click. This is the next thing I'm seeing. We can't make it any quicker and easier for your customers to be in a position to leave you a positive review online. But not every customer is so happy. Sometimes they have a few things to say. And if they leave a 1-star review, we don't want them going to your Google review page. So what we will do instead is we will take them to a web page where they can leave more feedback for you. This is the drag and drop design tool for the page. But if I remove these grid lines, you get an idea of what this web page would look like on a desktop. And the important thing here is we have the feedback form. And if a user puts something in here and clicks send feedback, that is going to get emailed to you for you to review and respond to, but it will also be added to the inbox that we have here. And you'd be able to click into any of the feedback, see who sent it, and respond to that feedback from our system as well. And you can also get ChatGPT to draft a reply for you. And you can copy that into the editor and adjust it further if you would like to do so. And you can send that to the customer. So we're not just about getting positive reviews online. We also have a really good mechanism to intercept any negative feedback and try keep those people away from posting about that online. So this is a really powerful tool that is extremely popular with our clients, and we will have this configured and ready for you to use from day one. If Google Reviews isn't the main site for you, we can also do this with TripAdvisor, Zomato, Yelp, Facebook, and Holiday Check. So there are a few different places where we can redirect people with positive feedback. What's more, we have email marketing automations as well. So in the same way that we are sending the online review request on a time delay after somebody connects to the Wi-Fi, we could do this with all types of communication and different types of delivery rules as well. If we go down to the email marketing section here, we have email automations and we have bulk campaigns. But if we take a look at email automations for the moment, we can go in and add an automation here. And we have a number of ready to use templates from if you receive negative feedback, if somebody hasn't visited you for a certain amount of time. But we also have an AI tool to help you create something as well. And all we have to do is write a prompt describing what we would like to promote. So I've asked it to create something about our new matcha collection of drinks. If I hit generate, our AI integration is going to put together email content using the artwork that we've already set up as default for your brand as well. And if you're not quite satisfied with any of the text that it's come back with, you can just edit this on the left-hand side. Very simple to change this. And the only thing that you need to do is add a URL for where this call to action button should go. So I add the F1 Tech website here. We're done and we're good to go. I go to the bottom and I'll click next. And then we have to decide what is our delivery rule on this. We have numerous rules. Probably the easiest one to understand is the first visit email. If we detect somebody has logged into the Wi-Fi for the first time and you set a time delay of 3 hours, let's say, we will deliver this email to people 3 hours after they connect to the Wi-Fi for the first time. If you want to choose the not seen in email template, for example, you can set a delay of how many days need to pass from somebody's last connection to your Wi-Fi network for this to be sent. So this is a great automation to win back lost customers. And we have other ones as well from loyalty. So you can set a visit count, perhaps every 10th visit you want to send this communication. Again, you set your delivery delay. And we also have some around people disconnecting from the network after people have left a review. And also if we have a date of birth for somebody, we can set a delivery rule so many days before their birthday. But in this example, we'll do this on a first visit and I'll set this up to go 1 hour after somebody has logged in for the first time. And that is just going to start sending and it's already good to go. But maybe you want to edit it up a bit more. You can do. You go into the editing tool here. And perhaps you feel that this image here isn't quite right. We could edit this up. So all of our editors operate in the same way. You select an element on the central section. You're going to get options on the right-hand side of what you can do with that. So if I select this image here, I can change that. I can upload something new And I feel that image is a bit more reflective for the example that we're working on here. And I can hit save on that. And those updates are automatically applied and will be delivered to the next recipients of the email. We do also have an advanced email editor, and we can do bulk campaigns. If we take a look at one of the examples we prepared here for Italian weekend, if I go into the editor tool here, you can see that we've created something that is a lot more advanced and has a lot more different elements to this email. Our team can give you training on how to use this once you get started with the service and teach you how to use the drag and drop editor very efficiently. So far, we've gone through a single venue and shown you how nice the login pages will look, the kind of statistics and data that we are pulling together for you, how you can connect that data to your CRM, or you can download it in an Excel file. We've shown you how you can use this data to gather yourself online reviews and identify customer complaints. We've also taken a look at email marketing and how you can automate that to get the right message to the right person at the right time. One thing that will be really good for you to know, though, is that this scales very easily to multiple venues. From a single dashboard, you can manage all of the properties that you have within your business, and you can share designs and data across a portfolio of businesses. So let's imagine here in the Treehouse group, we have 2 different locations. Things can be set up in a way that if you update the designs on one of them, it will automatically apply to the other. Or you could create designs on one, copy them over to the other locations that you have, and then edit those before you make them live on the other property. This product has been built with scale in mind, but it works just as well for single independent businesses as it does for larger groups as well. For larger groups, this also means there is a benefit of being able to see combined statistics across the whole portfolio of properties. You can see combined databases, making it much easier for you to manage at a head office level, but also giving individual locations their own freedom to see their information and make their own small edits locally. And if you're running paid advertising campaigns online on places like Google or Instagram or TikTok, you can use the Wi-Fi to build yourself an audience that you can ask these companies to target for you. If we go back into the venue we were looking at earlier and go back to the integration section, you'll see that we can embed the cookies and pixels from the major online ads platforms. All you have to do is go into the relevant place, add your remarketing code, the pixel code, the cookie code, however it's presented, paste it in here, hit create, and F1 Wi-Fi will start embedding that pixel and cookie where we can on people's devices. And we will even show you the statistics of how many of those embeds are happening on a daily basis. And you can then go into those ad platforms and ask them to target this group. And some of the platforms will also allow you to do lookalike audiences. So you could ask them to find other people with similar characteristics in the area and push advertising to them. So Wi-Fi marketing from F1 Technologies is a really great tool for your business to be able to start doing much more effective marketing, targeting people based on their interactions with your business, and helping your marketing team with a constant flow of fresh data for their marketing efforts. If this is something you would like to know more about, get in touch with us at F1. One of our team will take good care of you, and we will get everything prepared perfectly so you have great looking login systems and email campaigns, and also get your Wi-Fi network working perfectly with this product. Thanks for watching.